Good day. This is Harshit from IT World. Let's hear what's new in the tech world. Rockfon and Vox India strengthen partnership with contract renewal. Vox India, a leading provider of innovative interior solutions, is thrilled to announce the renewal of its contract with Rockfon, a renowned manufacturer of acoustic ceiling and wall solutions. This renewal marks another significant milestone in the successful partnership between Vox India and Rockfon, demonstrating their shared commitment to delivering high-quality products and services to customers across the country. On the occasion of World MSME Day on 27 June, Meta reiterated its commitment to the growth of India's small businesses by announcing two new skilling programs in the country. Meta announced a new partnership with the CAIT to upskill 1 million traders on WhatsApp business app over the next 3 years. Next up, we have Team Computers, a leading provider of state-of-the-art digital services and IT consulting solutions, recently hosted an event with Hitachi Vantara that highlighted how the future of business is data-driven, with every company becoming increasingly data-rich. As the world moves towards a more digitalized economy, businesses must be able to store and process data securely in order to remain competitive. ZNet Technologies Private Limited, India's leading cloud distributor offering cloud infrastructure and managed services, announced its partnership with Lightstrong, a digital infrastructure provider, for its newest offering, Polarin, a network-as-a-service platform designed to cater to cloud-native, forward-thinking businesses offering a diverse range of connectivity solutions, granting unparalleled control and visibility over network design, deployment, and scaling. Polarin enables businesses to transform their business capabilities by providing them with scalable and agile cloud interconnectivity across hybrid and multi-cloud infrastructure, internet exchanges, content delivery networks, and various SaaS applications such as Microsoft 365. According to the annual report of Tech Mahindra CEO C.P. Gurnani's earnings for the fiscal year 2023 were approximately 50% lower compared to the previous year. In FY23, Gurnani earned a salary and other compensation of Rs 32 crore, a significant decrease from Rs 63.4 crore in the previous year. The reduction in remuneration can be attributed to Gurnani exercising a lower number of stock options. The report states that Gurnani received Rs 25.6 crore from employee stock option plan in the last fiscal year, down from Rs 58.8 crore in FY 2022. Microsoft is joining Google and Apple in their pursuit of a passwordless future by implementing changes to the passkey support in Windows 11. In a recent blog post, Microsoft announced that passkey features will now be native to Windows 11, expanding beyond websites and online tools. Users will now be able to enroll and use passkeys to sign into both apps and websites. This can be done using Windows Hello for face unlock or fingerprint authentication, as well as through their phone. According to reports, Google has requested the Indian Supreme Court to dismiss certain antitrust directives related to its alleged abuse of the Android market in India. In a filing on Monday, Google argued that it has not engaged in any market abuse and should not be held responsible for penalties. The case began when the Competition Commission of India accused Google of exploiting its dominant position in the Android mobile operating system. The United States has implemented restrictions on the use of generative AI-powered chatbots in professional settings. The US House has established a set of regulations that outline the guidelines for congressional offices when utilizing the popular AI chatbot, ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI with support from Microsoft. In a communication to House staff member, Catherine L. Spindor, the Chief Administrative Officer, stated that offices can only utilize the ChatGPT Plus version of the product as authorized by the regulation. The United States has imposed limitations on the usage of generative AI-powered chatbot in professional settings. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the Minister of State of Electronics and IT, has responded to the controversy surrounding a YouTube ad by issuing a clarification. The minister has urged social media platforms to exercise caution when using government logos. The ad in question was a public interest campaign by YouTube, featuring a popular social media personality offering stock market courses. It displayed the logos of the IT Ministry and India's G20 presidency, along with a message about discerning between real and fake experts on the internet. Apple made a significant announcement at WWDC 2023 by unveiling its first ever AR/VR headset. The annual developer conference showcased Apple's plan to launch this mixed reality device in the US market by 2024. To enhance the user experience, Apple has started providing the Vision Pro headset to select developers for testing and improvement. One developer claimed that the Apple headset has the ability to create touch control and displays, including touch control panels on any surface in the room. Windows 11 introduces an on-screen keyboard known as the On-Screen Keyboard OSK, which offers convenient accessibility features. It serves as a virtual alternative to a physical keyboard and can be used even without a touchscreen. The OSK presents a visual keyboard with standard keys that can be selected using a mouse or other pointing device. Users can also navigate through the keys using a single physical key or a group of keys. The iconic German brand, Blaupunk, known for its outstanding audio equipment, is excited to present as special branded deals on Amazon, which will include a number of exciting new arrivals. Blaupunk branded deals is limited on Amazon and promises to give buyers a terrific opportunity to own these German audio devices at exclusive discounted pricing. OnePlus is all set to launch a slew of products in India next month. The Chinese smartphone maker has confirmed that it will launch its next generation OnePlus Nord 3, Nord C3 5G and Nord Bud 2R in the country on 5 July. OnePlus took to Twitter to confirm the launch of the three devices. The company tweeted an image of all the three devices along with a caption, "It's coming. Another generation of Nord smartphones are coming. Join us 5th July at 7 PM IST. Carl Peiss Nothing has collaborated with the Swedish music supergroup Swedish House Mafia to create an exclusive soundtrack for the Phone 2. Customers can use the Glyph Composer on Nothing Phone 2 to customize and mix Swedish House Mafia's unique sound. All you need to do is simply tap the pad to create various light and sound blend and make a personalized Glyph ringtone. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned for industry insights, gadget reviews, and latest tech news.
Are you having trouble in downloading Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts or YouTube long videos in the form of audio or video? Let me gonna help you. Save this reel and share with your friends. Number 1, online video downloader that is safe from net and keep it. Basically आपको यहाँ पे जाना है and सिर्फ लिंक पेस्ट करना, आप इसकी ऑडियो वीडियो दोनों डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, whether it's Instagram Reel या YouTube. Number 2, browser extensions. Video Downloader Professional is one of the best browser extensions जो आपको Instagram and YouTube की चीजें देता है. Number 3, mobile application. InstaSafe is one of the most precious app that people use. अगर आपको और सारे बोनस टूल जानने इसके बारे में पूरे स्टेप्स चेक आउट द कैप्शन और अच्छी टेक न्यूज पढ़नी है तो ITWise.in में जरूर आना. लाइक शेयर फॉलो कमेंट आपके ऊपर है.